Turkey has once again demonstrated its ambition as a maritime power and a defense technology powerhouse, increasingly respected in the region by deploying the TGC Anadolu TB3 combat drone in NATO's Dart 2026 exercise. The involvement of these two strategic weapon systems is not merely routine participation, but rather a symbol of Turkey's military transformation toward a drone-based, carrier-based operational concept. The NATO Dart 2026 exercise, involving several North Atlantic Treaty Organization member states, serves as a test of interoperability, combat system integration, and response readiness to various modern threat scenarios. In this context, the presence of the TGC Anadolu and the Bayraktar TB3 is in the spotlight because it demonstrates a different power projection model than the conventional approach based on manned fighter aircraft. The TGC is the largest amphibious assault ship in the history of the Turkish Navy. It is designed to carry out a variety of missions, from amphibious landing operations and humanitarian aid to floating command centers. However, its unique feature is its adaptability as a platform for operating armed drones. With a length of over 230 meters and a full flight deck, the TGC Anadolu is capable of carrying various types of helicopters and unmanned aerial vehicles. During NATO exercise Dart 2026, the ship served as an unmanned aerial operations center, with Bayraktar TB3s taking off and landing directly from the ship's deck. This concept offers significant flexibility. Rather than relying on conventional fighter aircraft that require dedicated runways or large aircraft carriers, Turkey has developed a more efficient approach by integrating long-range, armed drones that can operate from amphibious assault ships. The Bayraktar TB3 is a development of the Bayraktar family of drones. Already well known in modern military operations, the TB3 version is specifically designed for maritime operations, with the ability to take off and land on short runways such as the deck of the TGC Anadolu. One of the TB3's key advantages is its folding wings, allowing for efficient storage space in the ship's hangar. Furthermore, the drone is equipped with the ability to carry precision munitions and advanced sensor systems for reconnaissance, surveillance, and attack. In the NATO exercise Dart 2026 scenario, the Bayraktar TB3 reportedly carried out intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance ISR missions, as well as simulated attacks on surface targets. The real-time integration of data into the ship's command center and NATO networks demonstrates a growing level of interoperability. Turkey's participation in this exercise also has political and strategic dimensions. As a NATO member with a crucial geographic position at the crossroads of Europe and the Middle East, Turkey plays a crucial role in the regional security architecture. In the Dart 2026 exercise, the integration of the TGC Anadolu's communication system with the NATO command network was a key focus. Tactical data exchange, cross-border coordination, and synchronization of naval and air combat scenarios were part of the joint evaluation. Successful integration of the Bayraktar TB3 into the alliance's command network demonstrates that Turkey's domestically produced defense systems are capable of operating to NATO standards. This strengthens the Turkish defense industry's position in the global market and increases the trust of strategic partners. The presence of the TGC Anadolu in this multinational exercise also represents defense diplomacy. This ship is not only a symbol of military strength, but also a representation of the independence of Turkey's national defense industry. By operating drones from an amphibious assault ship, Turkey demonstrates a more modular and adaptive model of future warfare. This approach is considered relevant in addressing asymmetric threats, low-intensity conflicts, and strategic sea lane security operations. On the other hand, the use of the Bayraktar TB3 in NATO scenarios signals Turkey's readiness to share drone operational experience with allies. This has the potential to open up opportunities for research collaboration, joint production, and the development of new doctrines in unmanned system-based maritime operations. The combination of the TGC Anadolu and Bayraktar TB3 strengthens Turkey's power projection capabilities in the Mediterranean Sea, the Black Sea, and the surrounding region. In the context of constantly changing geopolitical dynamics, the ability to flexibly deploy air power from the sea is a significant added value. The NATO exercise Dart 2026 serves as a demonstration that Turkey's military transformation is more than just talk. The integration of unmanned naval and aerial platforms demonstrates a shift toward network-centric warfare, where information and speed of response are key. Going forward, the experience of Dart 2026 will likely form the basis for evaluating improvements to the operational doctrine of the TGC Anadolu and Bayraktar TB3, increasing payload capacity, satellite communication range, and integration with ship air defense systems are potential areas for development. Turkey's move could also inspire other countries to adopt the drone carrier concept as a more economical alternative to conventional aircraft carriers. with relatively lower operational costs and minimal risk to personnel. This system offers a balance between effectiveness and efficiency. The deployment of the TGC Anadolu and Bayraktar TB3 to NATO's Dart-2026 exercise marks a significant chapter in the evolution of Turkey's military power. Through the combination of modern amphibious assault ships and advanced combat drones, Turkey demonstrates its ability to adapt to the dynamics of 21st century warfare. More than simply participating in the exercise, this step reinforces Turkey's position as a key NATO player and a pioneer in developing drone-based maritime operational concepts. With a strong domestic defense industry foundation and a commitment to innovation, Turkey appears poised to play a larger role in the global security landscape.